Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Alright guys, first thing I want you to do, if it's your first time here on my channel, is go ahead and click that subscribe button for me. Go ahead and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? And what I do on this channel is actually show you different home-based business opportunities that you can actually promote and make a commission. Okay, I also show you systems and tools, okay, that you also can use to promote those businesses as well. And today I'm back with a tool, okay. This particular tool is called Press One Cash. It's a software, okay. This software will allow you to use it to promote any business opportunity that you're trying to promote. Okay, any offer, okay, because what it's going to do is going to assign you your own personal number, okay, and when you have that phone number and you share it by posting ads or you actually place pictures like this on social media, you do videos, solo ads, postcards, however you promote, okay, you share this number, your number, you'll have your own number. It will allow people to dial your number, hear a pre-recorded message, and when they press 1, it will take them directly to the website that you're trying to promote. Okay, this will in turn give you leads, because every time someone dials your number, it's basically like a caller ID. Okay, it will record that phone number in your back office. So now you're getting mobile leads, okay, and if you send them to a capture page, you're going to get their name and email, okay? So this software will allow you to do that. But not only that, for everybody you refer to Press One Cash software, okay, when they sign up under your link, you make $200, okay? So it pays $200. So you're actually using it to promote your business, and you can make money at the same time. If you don't have a business, you can actually use Press One as your primary business, okay, because you make $200 per sale, guys, so that adds up very quickly. Not to mention their comp plan is a one-up, okay, so when someone joins you, they're going to pay $200 to you and $97 to the company, the administration, okay. Then their first sale is going to pass up to you, so you actually made $400 off of one person, okay, with this software. It's universal. Anyone can use it. Doesn't matter what you're promoting. So it's not going to interfere. It's only going to help you with your primary business, or you can use it as your primary business to make $200 over and over and over. And as you can see, as it says here, you can accept your payments via Cash App, Zelle, Bitcoin, Venmo, cash, however you want to get paid. You would just specify that in your profile. Okay, so let me show you what the website looks like that you're going to get. Okay, this is the website you will get. We all have this particular website. This particular page is one page. As you can see, here's my phone number. You will have your own assigned phone number. Okay, and when people go to this website, this video will play 2 minutes, and it basically explains the program. Okay, and then if you read further, it tells you what do you get. Okay. You get your own personal phone number. You get a back office. You get training in the back office. Okay. You get the resale rights to sell this program, this software over and over. Okay. And you make $200 every time you do that. And it tells you how does it work. People call the number. They listen to a message. They press 1. And you send them to the website that you're trying to promote. Okay. And it's just a one-time cost of $297. There's no monthly fees. This in itself, Press One Cash, is a business in a box, guys. You can literally just promote this. There are people out here that this is all they promote is Press One Cash, okay, and making a full-time income from it. And here are some people that can use it: mortgage brokers, real estate agents, insurance agents, business owners, network marketers like you and I, affiliate marketers, anyone that has a website they're trying to promote. Okay, you just link your number up to this in your back office, and when people dial your number, they go to your website. So it's actually going to help you promote your primary business, and it puts your website on hundreds of cell phones, okay? Because everybody's carrying around their cell phone. So when they dial the number and press 1, it texts them your link, and they just click it from their cell phone. Okay, you can't get any simpler than that. Okay, it also tells you in the back office how you can use Craigslist ads, post ads to get people to call your number. Place the ad and put your phone number, your press 1 number in it, in the ad, and just have people call it. Instead of putting a website on your ad, just use the phone number. Okay? So there's many ways to promote this. Text message marketing. I even have a postcard for this. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you that shortly. I've got to place an order for those, and I will show you those postcards. But they're going to be very nice, guys, that you can use to promote Press 1 Cash. Just one of the other methods. Okay, there's many ways to do this. But if you're looking for a way to promote your primary business using this software, this will be a perfect system for you. So you're able to make commission with this and make commission when you make sales with your primary business, whatever you're promoting. Now I want to show you one of the capture pages I created in the marketing system that I'm using called the Conversion Pros. Let me show you what that page looks like. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm using a capture page. Okay, and this is a page I'm going to use for my postcards. Okay, so I have this page created. When they click this button here, it's going to ask them for their name and their email. Okay, then it's going to take them over to a presentation that's going to explain that. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the landing page. It takes them to the $200 daily cash strategy page. Okay, so this video is 12 minutes. It's going to explain Press 1 Cash and how you make money with it. From there, when they go down here, there's my name. So I branded me. I put my name so people can call me. Okay, and then my website. But when they click that, start earning $200 a day, it takes them over to the Press 1 Cash website. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, but very simple. You can do this very easily, different ways. Okay, so get with me and I can tell you some different methods and strategies you can use, but in your back office they also include that as well. So what I want you to do is just call this number and test it for yourself. What I'm doing is signing people. When I sign people up, I'm adding them to my rotator. So you'll be added into my rotator. So as long as I'm promoting this number, you're going to be in the rotator. Okay, and once you get your first sale, I take you out and I put the next person in. Okay, so I'm doing that as well as giving you 1,000 BizOp leads. Okay, I'll email them over to you, name, email, and address and phone number of 1,000 people that you can email, text, or call. Okay, so this is a great system, guys. A business in a box, another tool. Okay, because you need systems, you need tools to make these affiliate marketing programs work. Okay, it's not just a link that the company give you and you're off and running. It doesn't work that way. You've got to have a system in place, okay, to make these things work. So this tool can help you promote whatever business that you have out there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the link below for you so you can check it out. We've got a Facebook group too. Let me go over to that real quick before I end it. Okay, this is a Facebook group, guys, that we have. So you'll be a part of this as well, and you'll see people making sales in this group. Okay, so people are definitely getting folks signed up with Press 1 Cash, and we'll get you added to the group as well. So I'll put the link below for Press 1 Cash. Matter of fact, what I want you to do is just call the number. Okay, call the number. You can join through the number, and that way some people that I have in rotation, they will get the sign up. Okay, because the first sale passes up, and I'll do the same for you too. I'll put you in my rotation, so when people join, they can join you guys, and the sale will come up to me. Then therefore you're qualified and you can move on, and then you can start receiving your commissions, because everybody has to pass up their first sale. That's how this works. it's a one-up comp plan, but a great way to leverage your income, okay? So I'll put the information below for Press 1 and my marketing system that I'm using, the Conversion Pros, okay? If you guys have any questions, just give me a call, but go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload videos, okay? Look forward to seeing you guys on the inside of Press 1 Cash. You guys have a blessed day.